GMAT's Analytical Writing Assessment, Demystified. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA, section of the GMAT. This section is unique to the GMAT and requires a specific set of skills. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the AWA is all about. The AWA is one of the four main sections of the GMAT. It specifically tests your critical thinking and communication of ideas. In this section, you'll be presented with an argument and asked to write a critique of that argument. Your task is not to say whether you agree or disagree, but to evaluate the argument's logic. Some students might wonder why a math-heavy test like the GMAT includes a writing section. The answer is simple. Business leaders need to communicate effectively. Business schools want to ensure that you can not only crunch numbers but also convey complex ideas in written form. Your score in this section gives schools an idea of your analytical writing and critical thinking abilities. The AWA is scored separately from the quantitative and verbal sections of the GMAT. Essays are scored on a scale of 0 to 6, in half-point increments. 2 independent readers evaluate your essay, and if their scores differ by more than 1 point, a third reader will evaluate and score it. Key factors in scoring include clarity of thought, logical organization, relevant examples, mastery of English conventions. 1. Plan before you write. Spend a few minutes organizing your thoughts. Jot down the main points you want to cover. 2. Focus on the argument's logic. Identify any flaws or assumptions in the argument. 3. Be clear and concise. Remember, it's about the quality of your analysis, not the quantity of words. 4. Proofread. Once you've written your essay, take a moment to check for any grammatical or spelling errors. The Analytical Writing Assessment is a vital part of the GMAT, assessing your ability to critique arguments and communicate effectively in written form. With focused preparation and practice, you can master this section and showcase your analytical prowess to business schools. We hope this video has clarified the AWA for you. Happy studying!